Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the regulation of gene expression. The gene expression generally in eukaryotic organisms. The four levels are there in gene expression in eukaryotic organisms. What are they? There one is transcriptional level, second one is processing level, the third one is transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm, fourth one is translational level. Okay, na? What is the first one? Transcriptional level. Already have learned about the structure of a eukaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, well-defined nucleus is present. In nucleus, this is a diagrammatic representation of nucleus. Chromosomes are present. Chromosomes are consist of DNA molecule. Already have learned about the structure of DNA molecule. Double helical structures. The DNA molecule is involved in synthesis of HNRNA. And transcription unit, already have learned about the transcription unit. The transcription unit in DNA is involved in synthesis of hnRNA molecule. What is hnRNA? Already know the full form of hnRNA. hnRNA means heterogeneous nuclear RNA. Heterogeneous nuclear RNA is synthesized first of all from DNA. So the synthesized hnRNA is consist of both exons and introns. Suppose this is hnRNA strand. What is the polarity of hnRNA strand? 5 prime, 3 prime. This hnRNA is consist of both exons and introns. Exons and introns are arranged in alternate manner. Exon, intron. Exon, intron. Okay. Exon, intron. Like this, the hnRNA is consist of both exons and introns. hnRNA is consist of exons and introns. What are exons? The coding sequences are known as exons, whereas non-coding sequences are known as introns. The introns are removed and exons are joined together. Introns are removed, exons are joined together. That process is known as splicing. First of all, in transcriptional level, the DNA molecule is involved in synthesis of hnRNA. What is the second level? Processing level. In processing level, the introns are removed, exons are joined together. That process is known as splicing. After the splicing, hnRNA is becoming to mRNA. Splicing, capping, tailing. Already we have discussed about that process. Splicing, capping and tailing. Okay, after that splicing, the hnRNA is becoming to mRNA. Is it clear? That first level is word. Next, third one is transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Where the mRNA is formed? The mRNA is formed in nucleus. That mRNA is later transported from nucleoplasm to nucleus to cytoplasm of the cell through the nuclear pores. The nuclear envelope is consist of two layers, outer and inner layer. The nuclear envelope is also having the minute pores, nuclear pores. Through this nuclear pore, the mRNA is moves from nucleus to cytoplasm of the cell. This is cytoplasm, nucleus. The mRNA is moves from nucleus to cytoplasm of the cell. Is it clear? Now the third one is transport of, what is the third one? Transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm of the cell. Okay. Later, translational level. In translational level, the mRNA is involved in synthesis of proteins. mRNA, this white layer is represent the mRNA molecule. The mRNA molecule is involved in synthesis of proteins with the help of tRNA, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, energy-rich compounds, ribosomes. So several factors are required for the translation process. Okay, what is translation? The synthesis of proteins, or the polymerization of amino acids into proteins known as a translation. So the translation level is the fourth level. Where the translation level takes place, the translation level takes place in cytoplasm of the cell. Transcription in nucleoplasm of cell in eukaryotic organisms. Nucleoplasm. Whereas in prokaryotes, both transcription and translation takes place in cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, is it clear? How many levels are there in gene expression in eukaryotic organisms? Mainly 4 levels. What are they? One transcription level, second one processing level, third one transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm, translational level. Is it clear? Okay. Next, the genes in a cell are expressed to perform a particular function. The genes in a cell are expressed to perform a particular function. For example, in pea plant, the tall character is determined by genes. The genes are determines the characters in organisms. For example, in human beings, the color of the skin, color of the hair, height of the organism, the several characters are determined by the genes. Here in prokaryotic cell, this is a diagrammatic representation of prokaryotic cell. In bacteria, Escherichia coli is one of the example for prokaryotic cell. Another example, Lactobacillus. This is a nucleoid genetic material. The genes are present in DNA. If the lactose medium is available to the Escherichia coli bacteria, if the lactose, this is a white color substrate, is represent the lactose medium. Suppose if the lactose sugar is available to the Escherichia coli bacteria, what will happen? In DNA molecule, the genes, some of the genes are involved in synthesis of beta-galactosidase enzyme. The beta-galactosidase enzyme is involved in breakdown of lactose nutrient medium into galactose and glucose. Okay, galactose and glucose. So galactose and glucose, these monosaccharide sugars are useful for the growth of the bacteria. Okay, what is the nutrients for surviving of Escherichia coli bacteria here? Galactose and glucose. If the lactose medium is available, the DNA of Escherichia coli produces beta-galactosidase enzyme. Then beta-galactosidase enzyme is involved in breakdown of lactose into galactose and glucose. Okay, na? Suppose if the lactose medium is not available, lactose is not available, then beta-galactosidase enzyme is not produced by the genes of Escherichia coli bacteria. If lactose is available, then genes of Escherichia coli is involved in formation of beta-galactosidase enzyme, and beta-galactosidase enzyme is involved in breakdown of lactose into galactose and glucose. Okay, here the genes are expressed to here in Escherichia coli. The genes are expressed to form the beta galactosidase enzyme. The beta galactosidase enzyme is involved in one specific function. Okay, so here the gene expression is regulated by several factors like as metabolic, physiological and environmental factors. In human beings, the several sets of genes are regulate the differentiation and development of embryo into adult organism. So several sets of genes are regulate the development and differentiation of embryo into adult organisms. Okay, is it clear? From this concept, regarding the objective point of view or subjective point of view, subjective point of view mention the levels of gene expression in eukaryotic organisms. What are the levels? Transcription level, processing level, transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Fourth one is the translational level. Whereas in this concept, objective point of view, regarding objective point of view, a need oriented few questions we will discuss here. Option A, transcriptional level. Option B, processing level. Option C, transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Option D, translational level. So which of the level is the initial step in eukaryotic organisms during gene expression? Which of the following? How many options are given? 4 options. What is the first option? Transcription level. Option B, processing level. Option C, transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Option D, translational level. Which of the following one is takes place initially during regulation of gene expression in eukaryotic organisms? Initially, what is the first one? Transcriptional level. Okay, and find out the correct sequential order. Find out the correct sequential order. Option A, transcriptional level. Transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Processing level. Translational level. Translational level. Option B, processing level. Transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Next, translational level. Translation. Transcriptional level. What is option B? Processing level. Transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Next, translational level, transcriptional level. Okay, option C, transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Translation. Translation. Transcription level. Processing level. PL, processing level. Okay. Option D, transcriptional level, processing level. TL means transcriptional level. PL means processing level. Next, that's transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Translational level. What are the given options? What is the question? Find out the correct sequential order, the regulation of gene expression in eukaryotic organisms. What are the options given? Option A, transcriptional level, transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm, processing level, translational level. What about option B? The given option B is processing level, transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Okay, translation level, transcriptional level. What about option C? Transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm, translational level, transcriptional level, processing level. What about option D? The transcriptional level, TL, transcriptional level, PL, processing level, transport of mRNA from cytoplasm to transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm, translational level. So this is the correct sequential order. What is the first event this takes place? First of all, the synthesis of hnRNA from DNA. That is translational level. Whereas in processing level, which is takes place, the splicing is takes place. Okay. After that, the transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm. Later it undergoes, the mRNA is involved in translational level, protein synthesis. Is it clear? Okay, next, here the beta galactosidase enzyme, the function of beta galactosidase enzyme is option A, conversion of lactose into galactose and fructose. Option B, conversion of lactose into glucose and maltose. Option C, breakdown of lactose into glucose and fructose. Option D, breakdown of lactose into galactose and glucose. What is the question? The function of beta galactosidase enzyme is, what are the options given? The conversion of lactose into galactose and fructose. Option B, the given option B, conversion of lactose into glucose and maltose. Option C, breakdown of lactose into glucose and fructose. Option D, breakdown of lactose into galactose and glucose. So this is the answer. The beta galactosidase enzyme is involved in breakdown of the lactose into galactose and glucose. Okay, na? Is it clear? Okay, thank you, my dear students.